South Central grad 73 outside again. I've picked up fishing for crappie and bass here in Tennessee. Booker T. Washington State Park again, a different angle. As I always start the videos, I wish everyone from South Central Los Angeles and other inner cities throughout the land could enjoy sights and scenes beyond the neighborhood. It is raining right now, heavy sprinkles. Seagulls do exist out here too. Blue herring, the large, skinny-legged fish. I have fish on my mind. Bird. And there are also turtles in these here waters of Tennessee. From South Central to South Carolina and all points in between. That's actually the working title of a book that's turning into a videography capture series on this channel. And my other one, The Race Analyst, PhD, Proving Hate and Degradation. But as you're watching this, I'm hoping that you are in a relaxed state of mind, regardless of the circumstances, keeping calm but vigilant regarding all things necessary and essential to your well-being. Here in Tennessee, speaking of, how about thinking of the coronavirus that's alive and well, and I know it's hit California even harder than here in Tennessee, where we only have 6 cases at this recording. Stay safe. You know, you can spend all day wiping your hands and sanitizing your work areas, living areas, and then go into public, walk into a lavatory and plop right down on one of those toilet seats. Oh no, don't do that. Make sure you and yours know that you have to maintain vigilance everywhere you go. It's a pandemic by clinical standards today. It was announced. Pandemic means it is just not going away anytime soon. It's going to take all hands on deck from every walk of life to stay clean and safe. The coronavirus does not matter to only the most delusional, who may think it's not real, it's fake, but it is real. We have a case here locally within 1 hour. The day before that, there was a case in Memphis 2 hours away, now in Franklin. But there also can be some really serious cases near you, but government officials are not letting all of the information out really quickly to the public. That does happen. At least, let me give them a little benefit of the doubt, those who are administrators over healthcare facilities. There can be a word out that there's a patient that's suspect, but keep it under wraps. Don't tell everybody. Don't tell the public. But to maintain secrecy is not good. That's what China did. They waited and waited. They didn't want it to go public. Okay, now it's starting to rain and I'm not prepared at all, apparel-wise. I can wish that it would stop, but I don't think it is. Okay. I don't want to get coronavirus-like symptoms from getting soaked, but that's happening. I'm getting soaked right now. I'm pulling on the fishing rod. I don't have a fish yet. Okay. Time out. Fading. Meditation and contemplation. Still. Look how beautiful it is, even in the rain, right? Yeah. Let's take time. Stay safe in the street. Peace in the streets. I'll talk later about all the different youth programs I was involved in South Central LA, including LA Bridges, Project Gear Up, county assignments for safe schools, yeah, and other interesting tidbits. Somebody out there made an A today in school. Congratulations. Somebody was accepted into some sort of program today. Congratulations to you. Yes, somebody got that job that they've always wanted. Somebody just paid rent or a note on that car and still able to save. So, financial planning is super important, and we'll cover some of those areas. The importance of recycling your dollars in your own community. You want to do that, of course. Okay, it is still raining and I'm soaked. Anything short of catching a illness, I don't mind. One little pan again. Hard pan to the left. That sound you heard was a creature. That wasn't a person. And now I just heard a big flop in this area. Yes, there are gunshots in the background too. In the country, shooting is okay. Okay, this is our first meeting together in the rain. I'll check my line. Things look a little different out there. I had that orange bobble going underwater. Now it's come to the top. All right, ready. Time to fade. South Central grad 73. Appreciate your time.